and then 9. Let's apply our addition subtraction rules. So 12 and 9, the gap is, it is 3. It is actually 12 minus 3 is 9. And then between 9 and 27 is like 15 plus 9 is 24. It's actually 18. The gap is 18 between plus 18. And then between 27 and 24, it's again 27 minus 3. And then we see between 72 and 24. 72 and 24 is actually 8. It is 8 and 4, 12. It is 38, I think. 38 plus 4 is 42, and plus 20 are 72. No, 38, this is, wait a second. So this number is 48. I use a calculator to find it. 72 minus 24 is 48. So the next one is easy, because it's always minus 3, the next one, you have to subtract 3 from 72, because this is how the sequence is. So the next one will be 69. Now to find the next one after 69 is a little bit difficult, because we have to see this gap. Between 18 and 48 is a gap of, let's say, 28, 38, 48, 30. So it's a gap of 30. Is there any connection? Is 18 into 3 is 54. 18 into 3 is 54. 18 into 3, 54. And minus 6 is 48. Yes. So we see there is a pattern. It's quite easy now, because you see 18 into 3 is 48 minus these two 3's, these two 3's are 6, minus 6 is 50. So we can simply multiply 48 into 3, which is 1, 4, 4, and we can subtract now all these 3's, 1, 2, 3, which is 9 minus 9, which is 135. So 69 plus 135 should be our next number. We can again use a calculator for this. 69 plus 135. This should be, so 69 plus 135, so it should be 204, the next number. So that's it. So as you see, we can, with our subtraction addition rules, we can do a lot. There are of course other ways to solve this problem. Let's see. We see here 12 and 9 is 3. So this gap is always 3. We know this gap 69 is always 3. How to get to 204? So 9 and 27, the distance is 18. But let's see if 18 plus 3, this is 12 minus 27. Minus 27 is 15, and 72 minus 27 is, if I use a calculator, it's 45. So as you see, 15 into 3 is 45. So the next number here, because this one is simply minus 3, because there are two sequences in one sequence here, So 45 into 3 is 135. So you add 135 in 69 and you get 204. That's it. So there are two methods also to solve this. We have used also multiplication.